In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Kling AI image to video. So this is actually very simple. First, go to klingai.com, and then over here, once you're on their homepage, right here, you want to first sign into your account. As you can see, I'm signed in, and then you want to click AI videos over here, which is in the middle. So simply press this. And then, as you can see, you've got two tabs over here, with the first one being text to video and the second one image to video, which is what we're trying to achieve. So click image to video, and in here it will give you an option to add in an image and a prompt to create a video, a AI video out of that. So the way to do this is by click or drop or paste an image over here. So right now I'm going to drop an image of some random flowers in here. As you can see, it's going to start loading, and it says it has to be PNG or JPEG, and files can be up to 10 megabytes large with minimum dimensions of 300 pixels. So as you can see, I have some flowers in right now. And then it says prompt, which is optional over here. It says got a vision, let's bring it to life. Type away or explore the Kling AI best practices. Now, in here, you want to, of course, type whatever you want to see. So I'm just going to type in flowers blooming. There we go. And then you can, of course, draw motions if you want to. You can use this feature. If you've played around with it, you can basically draw motions and stuff like that to further enhance what you want to achieve. And then you have the setting between the creativity and relevance, and then you can select the length and the number of generations, as well as camera movement and the negative prompt if you want to. So the negative prompt is basically the thing you do not want to see inside your video. Now, once you've done this, and once you've successfully kind of filed all this out and kind of established what you want to get from this, press generate for 10 credits, and just like that, it will start creating your AI video out of this image you've put in here and of the additional prompt you have typed down here. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.